Hi art lovers, how you doing today? Sorry I missed last week's videos. Been pretty busy around here getting ready for a couple of big shows coming up. Plus I'm also ride a motorcycle, and there's a world's record down in Paris, Texas. So me and my Eagle, which is what I call my Harley Davidson Road King, we're going down there. We're going to break the world record of the most Harley Davidsons in a parade. So I've been getting a lot of stuff ready for that too. That's coming up on the 5th of October. Got a 12 by 12 canvas here that I've taped my back. I wetted it back, the back down, so it sounds like a drum. She's all leveled, ready to go. And I think what we're going to do is a flip cup today. The paint I've got is Artist Loft Flow Acrylics of yellow, green, red, and then my turquoise that I'll be using is Deco Art Turquoise. Okay, so let's go with, I have no idea. Let's try a little yellow. Put some yellow in here. We're gonna kind of stuck it. There's some bit of white. Can you see that? There, okay. We'll do a little bit of green. Turn the cup around. On the other side, we'll put some red. Splash of white. Because we don't want this blue on top of red, we'll make a nice purple, which would be alright too. It might mess up, might blend in together anyway and give us a little bit of a purple. But that'd be alright. Time for some more yellow. That will make a green. Put some red over here. You can tell I'm just throwing colors in at random. There's no rhyme or reason, I guess. Sometimes there is. You're going for a specific thing. Wonder if that's going to be enough. It's not a complete science for me. I just mix the colors. I think I got enough. I throw them on the canvas. Yeah. If it's too much, I just pour it off. Which does get expensive after a while. Because anybody out there doing pours or acrylic paints or oil paints, paint's not cheap. Now, I've been to a lot of shows where, I mean, the people, oh, yeah, I like your work, till they hear the price. Yeah, and then they gasp and, oh my God, don't like it that much. Anyway, I'm going to try that. Put the canvas on, get it towards the center, flip it up. Get you square with the world down there again. Alright. And actually this video is going to be posted late because I'm just doing it. Yeah, I tried to get this done, get it posted today, and Hopefully I'll have a couple more days. I can get up here and actually get some videos knocked out for you all, and I've got some more saw blades ready to go that I turn into clocks. Those are a big seller for me anyway. Alright, I think that's set down long enough. What do you say? Should we pull it up and see what kind of masterpiece we can make? 3, 2, 1. Ooh. Kind of interesting. See? You also go through a lot of paper towels doing this. So please don't go out and buy the most expensive ones. Just buy the cheapest ones you can find. Because all you're going to do is wipe paint on and throw them away. That looks pretty cool. I think I'm going to torch that before I tilt it around. I have no idea what this is going to be, what it's going to turn out to be, what I'm going to call it. Most of my paintings are like that. I usually wait until they're done and dried and then see what my ending thing is like, and then I'll come up with a name. Or I have my wife, look at it. I'll say, come up with a name for this. And usually she's pretty good. It's a lot of cells coming out of here. I mixed these paints. I was running out of my mixture of 5% Glue-All, 1.5% Floetrol, and a half an ounce of Flow Improver. And I was running really low. So I put strictly Floetrol and Flow Improver in my paint, and with the Floetrol you get cells. So there's some lacing and cells, blue cells over here, got red cells over here. She got red cells outlined in green over here, blue on top of the red, then the blue one's over here. Kind of, not quite, half of a yin-yang maybe right over here, the green and yellow. But I always run back to the center before you tilt the other direction. Now I think I'm going to leave my corners. I'm going to leave some negative space in this one. That's if I don't get my fingers dirty and touch it. I did not put a paint underneath there. Sometimes I do, sometimes I don't. It just helps the paint flow better. Alright. Now comes the tricky part. Get it tilted so you don't get paint on your fingers and you touch the negative spaces. Because if you do that, you just might as well run right over the corners. Whoa. Go that way. Okay. Oh, that space got a little bit littler. Right back towards the center, which I can't see. Okay, there it is. This is turning out to be pretty cool. A lot of cell action. Not real big ones. There's some I stretched here a little. But all in all, it's... Whoa, get over there. Get it down towards the center. Tip it down this way a little bit more. Get some more of that. Starting to slow up, so paint's actually sticking to the canvas, which is a good thing. That's what you want. Come on, get over that edge. Come on, just a little bit more. Yeah, there we go. Try to bring as much as you can back to the center. That turned out to be pretty cool. Nice combination of colors. Ah, touched the corner. Got blue paint on it. Don't know if I could wipe that off or not. Okay, let's... Hope you could see those colors. My monitor, got an old TV I got wired up as a monitor off my camera, and the colors are really dark. Yeah, I touch that up with a little bit of white paint or something later. But that looks pretty cool. That looks pretty cool. Like I said, I don't know what I'm going to call it. There's a lot of stuff happening, a lot of cells happening. Some more air bubbles. But I got reds and yellows. Turned to pink, I got greens, the turquoise, the blue. Which the turquoise is the blue, it's a blue turquoise. I didn't use any blue. The green, the yellow. And I'm going to torch it one more time. Someone say, oh, you might torch it too much. Well, you still got air bubbles. You gotta make sure the air bubbles are popped. And also, if you torch it, it might just bring out some more cells. Be a little more cool if you're into those things. I'm not really into cells. I don't try to get cells, but if I could keep them and they look cool in what I'm doing, they'll stay there. Excuse my head. Might be a little bit your high dollar skewer here, which is your high dollar tool. Might be a little bit of contamination. Maybe not. But there might have been. With that Floetrol, sometimes it will thicken up and you'll get a a glob of Floetrol, and I usually find one here. This is on my blue. I don't know if you can see that little mesh. I'm not sure what it's called. You can buy it in the craft department. It's, you know, you get like a yard of it for a couple of bucks. That and a rubber band, and that holds all that gunk in here instead of coming out in your painting. And if my paints are too thick, I use 90% water, 10% Floetrol mixture to thin them out instead of straight water. The Floetrol helps the paint bind and stay together, and the water thins it out enough to make it pour, run. There might be one right there. Yep. There's just I don't know what it was. Just a little gob of air bubble type thing, didn't pop. But there you go, art lovers. 12 by 12 canvas. Just an odd mixture of paint. Do a flip cup on it. Let it sit there for a few minutes till the paint runs down. And there's no silicone in this paint. No silicone at all. I don't use silicone very much, but when I do, I use the Spot On treadmill belt lubricant, 100% silicone. This will get you some really big, nice cells. That's what you're looking for. Well, there you go, art lovers. Hope you enjoy this. Give it a painter's thumb up if you like it. Put down in the comments what you like about it, what you don't like about it, and I'll answer you. You got any ideas? Like, you know, say, hey, how about using blue and, you know, some weird colors or whatever. You know, put them down in the comments. We'll give it a try. See what it looks like. So, until next time, get out there and paint something.